I'm talking to myself, I've not even got record on here, which is just ridiculous. It may not work, it may not go straight there, because it's at the 79 in the other way now, which is a bit of a bugger. But we're just going to have to give it a shot. We just want that 79 this way now to just fail. If it holds, it's going to take us out and we're going to have to get back in. Hopefully it fails and it goes to the 444s, which is the high to high 38s, which is basically its ultimate destination, treble fours. But with the way it's reacting to absolutely every single key, level 79, 79 both ways, it's probably going to take us out first. We'll have to see what it does. That needs a bit of a flush through, rather than just a bit of a sweep of the level and then hold. If a sweep of the level hold, it's going to hold. The technical reactions aren't the strongest. That's what I mean by the technical reactions are not the strongest. 24.
Order filled.
There we go. There we go. Okay, let's just turn away from this now for a little bit. That's open. Let's go this short. Should be okay. Should be quite clean. Time frame and lower internal. So to get a little bit of correction to the downside just seems really plausible. But obviously I need to get it. I just do need to get it. Like, it needs to come in clean, really.
Order filled.
Just take one off there, half, because I can always add back in. $30, it just kind of halves this risk. If we do push back to the bottom again, I will re-enter. But we just do need to push back through it. Like, it needs to push. We need an ATR move. A bit more if that continues. No. We need something to continue, like an ATR. ATR 5-minute down push would be super clean. It's not showing at the bottom, it's not at the bottom yet. 585s, 588s. Brother, come on, man. No ATRs as such, just keeps teasing every which way. So he's doing it again, showing its 78 technical reaction to the long side off that bottom little internal structure where people are just getting in contracts here long. And hopefully we pop down here and we take out those stops. Yeah, let's go take those stops. Let's go take those stops. Let's go take those stops. Added. 600s. Very, very close now. Very, very close. What are we fighting? We're not fighting a lot, so it's about if it wants to come back and shop for some crap.
Order filled.
There you go. Topsy-turvy day, man. Topsy-turvy day. Just really not enjoying. I'm getting stuck in between levels, and then I'm can't marry one side, and then I'm sort of price playing both sides, which just isn't very clever. So yeah, I don't want to look at that 717s now, really. I don't want to look at any shorts either, because I see it probably coming down further and closing that off on that 717s. Because you've got, for that 717 range to work, you've still got potentially 230 points of short, which could get put in to still hold that 717. In fact, more if it wants to take the next level down, other than the high to high 50. You don't know what I'm talking about, so let me show you. That shot off. Why did it hit the bottom there? That high, that 50 there, perfect. That target is that target is up here at 952. So if we want to carry along, we've got an internal draw there, which carries on through to 717s, or we've got a short target which could come through to 48s. I mean, look at the baby short now. Jeez. We can't grumble. We've had a really, we've profited big, but it's just a frustrating one. The market isn't moving like it used to move. What's going on with my fucking hair? Look, I've gone over here there. What's going on? I mean, I'm losing my hair. Yeah, 78 is starting to push this down now. But I can't get in on it. There's nothing to get in on. It's pointless now. Where's it going to? 38. So let's just do 38 on the range. Yeah, we've got to leave it. We've got to leave it. How do I put that back in there now? Fuck's sake. Leave. Load. Trading view. Thank you. Oh my god. And here comes that 78 internal shorts. Here it is. It's one of those perfect days where you don't look at lower time frame, you read the, say, 15-minute time frame, you look for an extreme of a range is 78%, you bid off for 78%, short off 78%. Today you would have been absolutely freaking golden. Not that we aren't golden, but my style of trading does protect me most of the time. Look at this baby, go! 616 as 516 as it's going to, which is the halfway of the range on the day, but hold on, is that right? 517s. Can't just get in on it now, we've missed it. We've missed it. Yeah, looks nice, man. Looks nice. Tomorrow's going to be easy. That's what you got to tell yourself. Rather than trying to trade for today, trying to get more out of this now subpar environment because I'm internal of an internal of an internal, I'm better off waiting for tomorrow. Because when you're internal of an internal of an internal, however many internals, extra the internals you want to go, the higher, the likely, the big push towards an external liquidity, because at some point it's going to go internal to external, or you can go external to internal, and your internals will be in equilibrium, or it'll be your VWAP. I like to go external to internal as opposed to internal to external, because when you're internal, quite often I can see both sides, and most of you should be able to see both sides. Yes, you can formulate a hedge on a higher time frame. However, your probability of that being right is just not going to be as great, from my strategy anyway, from reading the externals to the internals. Because when you're externals, what you tend to obviously do is you run long for a long period of time, or you run short for a long period of time. Oh, there we go, it's putting this short bit here. You create a gap, you run away from your image, you run away from your VWAPs, you hit a key area, either a fib or a sweep of a high or a low, or some liquidity like an imbalance. You then create your hold and set up for the opposite way. A bit like today. A bit like today when we got this high, low, 78, bang, bang, now that it drops. A bit like that. Okay, we're done, guys. We're done. Let's come back and do it again tomorrow.